So we can't find any carrots in the market.
Yeah.
They're sold out. But Mod, I've got a sauce.
Okay.
You keep watch. Gonna nick from John's fridge. Oh, jeez! You're crazy.
Beautiful.
Here you go, Mod. I just lost about 2 years of my life.
Yum.
Yum, yum. Crazy, this guy. Get out of here. This man's in the
Yum.
Mate, I nearly died for these carrots.
Heart attack, right?
Yeah, that was scary. I don't think it was the jump scare that scared me. It was him with all these carrots in his apron. It was like the carrot monster. There we go. What are we going to do with those?
So this
You
one.
better do something with them now that I've had a heart attack.
Yeah, okay, sure. This one we use later on. We just peel it.
Yep.
And then it's ready to use.
Beautiful.
And
So what
first-
recipe are we doing now?
It's Vietnamese dish. We cook pork belly in coconut water
Ah, yum.
and seasoning it.
Yep,
So we serve it with egg and then we cook it for like 45 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So we got a bit of time then.
Yes, sure.
All right, cool. Let's get stuck into it. Coconut water.
Yes.
From this?
So for this one, this one is right.
Look, it's like it's your little brother. Cool.
Put in here and then use the
heel.
of the knife.
Now show me how to do it then. Yeah, I can see how it could be dangerous.
The big one is one shot.
Mate,
Bang.
I tell you, Mod, you wouldn't last a day on Survivor.
Yeah.
We're dying here, or you've almost got it. What do you like at lighting fires?
Yeah, lighting fire. So what to use then? Use sunglasses?
You got it. Here, I'll go get the rum and some straws,
Okay.
and we'll have a cocktail.
Yes.
That's it. Oh, let me eat that. And when these are young, this is all like jelly, isn't it?
Yes. In Thailand, we have believed that if people eat this part, you're gonna talk a lot.
Oops. Do you put that in the pot then?
Herbs and things first.
Yep, so you got some lemongrass,
Now this one is coriander root,
coriander root, yep,
chopped
garlic,
garlic, and white pepper.
and a bit of oil.
The coriander, you need to wash the root properly, otherwise it's gonna have lots of sand in it.
Yeah, be gritty, yeah, crunchy.
Yeah.
So in with the garlic, lots of garlic. Mmm, you can smell it straight away, the garlic and the coriander.
So it's better to fry it a little bit first, so it's the oil extract the
From the-
smells
yeah,
and the
yeah,
fragrance and the taste, everything is out. And this one, white
The
pepper.
white pepper. What's that one? Is that
ABC sweet soy sauce.
sweet soy or ketchup
Yes.
mayonnaise?
Yes, ketchup mayonnaise.
Some oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Panda oyster sauce.
Some soy.
Yes. And fish sauce.
Fish sauce, of course.
So this one,
Yep.
after you put, just don't stir it.
Yeah, I never knew that. After you put, you don't stir it. You just let it come up.
This one my grandmom teach me.
Your grandma,
Yeah.
so it's got to be true.
So I put the pork in.
Yeah. Very simple recipe. I love
Yeah,
it. And then
and egg.
in with the eggs. And they'll suck up all the flavour of the broth and the pork. So where did you come up with this recipe? Is this traditional?
It's mixed between Thai and Vietnamese because in Thai we have หมูสามชั้นต้มเค็ม
I won't say that.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
anyway.
I know. But we use just only stock,
Yep.
chicken stock,
Yep.
and then we cook it.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't use the
The
coconut
coconut
water.
water. Yeah, but the coconut water is a really nice touch. It's
Yeah.
sweet. So we've got 45 minutes to kill. Let's go for a walk, mate. Check the market
let's
out.
go.
Just have 45 minutes went quick,
Yes,
didn't it?
really fast.
Wow, that smells so good. The pork, you can smell the fish sauce and the oyster
Yes.
sauce. Look at the eggs, they've sucked up all the juice, they've turned a little bit brown.
Yeah, have a look.
Yeah, that looks unbelievable. I love pork belly, it's the best.
The best is I like the fat and the skin.
Yes. I wish a pig was just all belly. How long before the pork is cooked do we put the vegetables? 5 minutes?
Just 5 minutes.
Yeah. Wow, look at those eggs. They're a little bit like the Chinese tea eggs.
Yes, yes, yes. That's the color of the soy sauce.
Yeah,
and
soaks into the,
yes.
That's great. That looks so tasty. It's almost a breakfast in a bowl. A little bit of the sauce.
done.
Ooh. A little bit of pork first. Man, that is just the best. You're the man. That is so delicious. What do we call this?
หมูสามชั้นต้มเค็ม
I'm glad you said it.